Minato imported suits with an FOB value of $25,000. The insurance and freight charges indicated in the entry are $400 and $1,000 respectively. How much is the dutiable freight if the shipment has a gross weight of 2,500 kilograms, subject to GCR rate of $0.55 per kilogram? Given suits 0.02, FOB $25,000, gross weight 2,500 kilograms, GCR rate $0.55 per kilogram.
What is asked? Freight. Rule number 4 on dutiable freight is applicable here. Formula: GCR freight equals total gross weight in kilograms times GCR rate. Solution:
2,500 kilograms is the total gross weight times $0.55, which is the GCR rate. So the GCR freight is $1,375. Minato imported suits with an FOB value of $25,000. The insurance and freight charges indicated in the entry are $400 and $1,000 respectively. How much is the dutiable freight if the shipment is a gross weight of 2,500 kilograms, subject to GCR rate of $0.55 per kilogram? Given suits 0.02, FOB $25,000, freight in the entry $1,000, insurance in the entry $400, gross weight 2,500 kilograms, GCR rate $0.55 per kilogram.
what is asked? Freight.
Rule number 5 on dutiable freight is applicable here. Formula: freight in the entry or freight in SAD versus GCR freight equals total gross weight in kilograms times GCR rate times 0.70, whichever is higher.
Solution:
Freight in the entry, which is $1,000, versus the GCR freight equals 2,500 kilograms, which is the total gross weight, times $0.55 per kilogram times 0.70. GCR freight is $962.50. Freight in entry is higher, which is $1,000. A shipment of 2 by 40 footer STC frozen tuna from Hong Kong arrived in port of Cebu. Its CFR value is $55,000. How much is the dutiable freight if the insurance is $1,500 and the freight indicated in the bill of lading is $3,100, supported with a certificate from the shipping lines? Given 2 by 40 footer STC frozen tuna, CFR at $55,000, insurance $1,500, freight in bill of lading $3,100 with certification from shipping line.
what is asked? Freight. Rule number 7 on dutiable freight is applicable here. Solution:
Since there is a certification from the shipping line, so automatic that the freight in the bill of lading will be used. That is $3,100. A shipment of 2 by 40 footer STC frozen tuna from Hong Kong arrived in port of Cebu. Its CFR value is $55,000. How much is the dutiable freight if the insurance is $1,500 and the freight indicated in the bill of lading is $3,100? Given CFR $55,000, freight in the bill of lading $3,100 without certificate from shipping lines, insurance $1,500 and 2 by 40 footer STC.
what is asked? Freight.
Rule number 7 on dutiable freight is applicable here. Formula: freight in the bill of lading versus reefer freight, whichever is higher if there is no certification from the shipping lines.
Solution:
In bill of lading, the freight is 3,100. Reefer freight $1,600 times 2 because there is 2 container vans equals $3,200. So it's higher than the freight in the bill of lading. Sakura Flower Shop has an importation of 3 by 20 footer STC assorted plastic pots with a CFR value of $54,000, which arrived at the port of Zamboanga from port of Guangzhou. Bill of lading indicated freight charges at $4,000. How much is the dutiable freight if insurance is $1,000? Given plastic pots 0.04, CFR $54,000, freight in the bill of lading $4,000, insurance $1,000.
what is asked? The insurance.
Rule number 6 on dutiable freight is applicable here. Formula: freight in the bill of lading or invoice versus 10% freight of CFR, then whichever is higher.
Solution:
Freight in the bill of lading versus reefer freight. So in the bill of lading, the freight is $4,000. In reefer freight, $1,300 times 3 equals $3,900. So the freight in the bill of lading is higher.